Well, here we are back again. I got such good response out of my shut the windows. I got such good response from a thing I did for a friend on Facebook, whether she wanted a Droid or an iPhone, that I got just like tons of emails asking me all sorts of questions. So I guess the first one I'm going to do is your Windows machine at home. If you have McAfee's, Norton's, any of those ones that come pre-installed on your computer when you buy it, if it's got a red X in it, that means it's no longer protecting your computer. You have to resubscribe to it after your machine's like 3 months old. But what I suggest you do is just go to your control panel inside Windows and go to Add and Remove Programs and uninstall it. And currently, AVG used to be the leader of free antivirus software for a long time. Actually, if you have an old machine that's real slow, AVG still is the best, but I suggest that you uninstall it, put Microsoft, you can go to google.com and search for Microsoft Antivirus or Microsoft Security Essentials and put that on your computer. Now, I have put Microsoft Security Essentials on some slower computers, and you have to sit there and wait for it to boot and let it sit there for about 10 minutes before you can use it. Some people don't mind doing that because they're not in a hurry, and then some people, of course, they're in a hurry. But so it's your choice. But put that on there. It's a really good antivirus software. It's free. And then to keep your machine clean of spyware, I suggest you download Malwarebytes. And just go to, again, Google and type in Malwarebytes, just like it sounds. And it's a purple, reddish, and black icon. Download it and then do a full scan. There's other programs out there. I'll be doing another video on how to clean your machine. I mean, if you turn it on and it's just completely unusable, what tools you need. That's very simple, but you got to have a clean machine first to be able to make all this stuff. So, but how to do it yourself so you don't have to go pay somebody $200. Here in Elizabethton, Tennessee, we charge $50 to clean a virus machine. Most other companies start at $85. I think some of the big manufacturing stores that have like Geek Squads and stuff like that, they find a virus in your machine, it's like minimum of $200 and stuff. So it's crazy. You can go out and buy a new computer for $300 or $400. So So I'll be posting that, and remember, another thing that you need to do is when you bring up your C drive, your My Computer, you hit your alternate button, and a toolbar will show up, and you go to Tools, Internet Options, and or Tools Options, and turn on your hidden files and folders. And if you can't find all that, just again do a Google search for how to turn your hidden files and folders on in Windows, and you'll find a million links. But once you turn those on, you need to go to your Documents and Settings and your profile name, and go in there, and I think it's under Local Settings, and you'll find a temp folder in your Internet Explorer temp files. You need to delete that stuff. That's where everything hides. Most of your viruses sit inside those temp folders, and sometimes you can't delete everything that's in it. So, and then another thing a lot of people don't know about basic computer users: as your computer is booting up, you hit the F8 key after you see your splash screen of what kind of computer you own. You just randomly hit F8, and a menu will come up, and you can boot into safe mode with networking support. And what that does is it loads your computer without any of the drivers that run your computers to load. And you can go in and delete a lot of folders and stuff that may be infected that won't delete themselves, but you can delete them while you're in safe mode, and so you can play around with that. But that's basically it as far as viruses. Some other programs that we'll be talking about next, it's for some advanced users. It's called Combo Fix. It's a very small file. You can download it, put it on a thumb drive, put it on a CD-ROM, whatever you want. It's just, again, Combo Fix. You run it, and if your computer is really, really, really bad, you have to hit the F8 as it's booting up and run it in safe mode with networking support, and you run it, and it'll just answer all the questions, yes, 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 and it'll scan through your computer, and it'll delete all sorts of stuff. When it's done, reboot back into normal mode, and then do your scan with Malwarebytes and do your other scan with your antivirus software, and you should be good. I mean, you should be able to use your computer again. So it's actually that simple. But I'll go into more detail next time, and I'll actually do it from my computer and show you how it's done instead of doing it from the road. But I appreciate everybody's concerns, and I know lots of people have questions. I mean, I got so many emails I have to go through and different subjects that people want to talk about, and I'll go through as much of them as I can. So I appreciate everybody listening. I got to go to work. Thanks.